Hey guys, it's Ann, and today we're going to go into two homes again for our viewers' virtual visitations. So for the two home tours, we're starting with Melissa. Now Melissa sent me a whole lot of pictures of her house, and her house is super cute. Very both prim and farmhouse. A nice mixture of signs and bunnies and all kinds of cute vignettes she has around the house. Very creative. You're going to enjoy it a lot. The second house is Deidre. She's got a warm, cozy home with lots of antiques, very beautiful antiques against a more green background. Everything is cozy and beautiful, and she decorates a lot around her spiritual nature, which I really love. So I think you're going to enjoy both of these homes. If you want to send me your home and have me put it on my channel, feel free to send it to Ann Clay Home Decor Tips, either the page or the group on Facebook. You can instant message me and you can get me my pictures there, or you can go to Instagram. If you don't have a Facebook page, just email me below, give me a note, and then I will tell you how to get a hold of me. So I think you're really going to enjoy these. I'm having a great time going through these homes. It's just fun, right? To go to someone's house. I hope you guys are enjoying this series. We'll see you soon.